you.
Here it goes. Come on. Doesn't know whether to go or not. Like food. Go. Nick, pick up the ducky! The little baby!
The baby's like, what do you do?
She's scared of you.
I can't even pick up the babies on the camera.
So sad. You gotta get one that's not scared of you, Nicky.
No. Bigger ones are better with this.
Come on. The goose is trying to be nonchalant about it.
I'm not gonna do it.
Try that one.
There's an Asian duck that might be of interest.
Valerie. I'm kind of scared of the Asian duck.
Because it's got cancer on its face.
Oh, is it going? It's going. You gotta bring it down closer to it, Nick. It's so